Recently, videos featuring anthropomorphized fruit and vegetable characters creating a story have been going viral. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this type of content yourself. First, open ChatGPT. Paste the specially updated master prompt I've prepared for this concept into the message box. You can quickly customize the variables within the master prompt to fit your video's topic, either manually or by using an AI tool for help. You can find this master prompt and detailed instructions on how to use it in the Master Prompts channel of our free Telegram group. In this example, I've requested 10 image prompts and 10 video prompts. First, copy the image prompt we've generated and head over to OpenArt AI. In OpenArt, select the Create Image option and choose the Nano Banana 2 model. Paste the image prompt you copied into the prompt section and select the 9:16 vertical format. Depending on your budget, you can choose different resolutions and image generation models. Once our image is generated, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Return to OpenArt and select the Frame to Video section. Again, you can utilize different models and output settings based on your budget. I'm placing the first scene image I downloaded into the Start Frame section and pasting my video prompt into the prompt box. Select Kling 3.0 as the model, ensure the audio setting is on, adjust your output preferences, and click the Create button. The final result will look something like this.
Welcome to Fruit Love Island.
Thanks for watching. To keep improving your content creation skills, make sure to check the links in the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.